Hey guys, welcome back to Click, and today we're doing an unboxing and review of the UAG Monarch case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So for those of you who follow our channel, you know that the UAG cases here are a definite must, and when we saw this in this crimson red, we had to do it. So it is in-house. Let's get it onto the phone and see what's what. So typical UAG packaging, super premium. Okay, sorry, there we go. So you can see UAG here. We've got top grain leather on the side here, military drop tested. Okay, and this is the Monarch series. On the side, again, just branding UAG and Monarch. On the bottom, just made in China, UAG and Monarch. So here we have a little bit of information regarding the features. So you've got impact resistant, feather light, easy access, traction grip, screen surround, and glare free flash. Okay. And on the back you can see the 5 different layers that are involved with making this case as protective as it can be. Okay, so this comes with a hard alloy, top grain leather, TPU, and hard shell all put together in this fantastic case. So again, idiot proof packaging. Thank you, UAG. Pop it open. Okay, and you get the case and nothing else. So let me just set this to the side. Alright, so let's bring the Note 8 in and throw it on and see what's what. So for those of you who haven't seen the unboxing of the deep sea blue Note 8, do that, it'll be on our channel. Okay, and now as usual, in from the left and then clip over to the right. Okay, just going to clean up the screen a little bit and then we'll do a little overview. Alright, so there it is from the back, guys. It looks super nice. Alright, I love the red. This red color, it looks absolutely fantastic. Now, in terms of lay on table, we have a really nice lay on the table. Okay, the edges are raised on all 4 corners, and we have a thin lip around the edges to protect the curved screen. So you can put this down on the screen itself, and it won't be touching or scratching. Now, on this side here, we've got your textured button for your Bixby and your volume up and down key. On the top, we just have a spot for your mic. Okay, we have a textured power button on this side, and on the bottom we have easy access to your S Pen. Let me just show you guys. There it is. Sorry, my nails are small. You have a speaker, we have a mic, USB-C, and a headphone jack. This is a dying breed here, so really appreciate that we're seeing this on the Note 8 still. Now on the back we have a nice big cutout for all your camera module and your fingerprint scanner. Okay, this case also has little feet at the corners which help with putting it down so you don't scratch up the metal. Now the red portion here is all aluminum framing, and you can see the top grain leather that was mentioned on the box all in here. This is real leather, guys. Now on here you have a honeycomb kind of a pattern which really helps with the grip. Now as chunky as this case is, this does not add to the overall width of the phone because this is a big phone. So this is a great design. So if you're looking for a protective case, this is the one to get. The price is pretty savage, but I think you get what you pay for. The link will be in the description. It was from Amazon. You can also get it from UAG if you choose to do so. That's totally up to you guys. Alright, so if you have any questions, comments, post them down below. Definitely click approved. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace.